Okay, so for today's video, here is our content. And we will be talking about functions. So without further ado, let's get started. In mathematics, a function is a relationship between two sets of elements in which no element in the first set relates to more than one element in the second. We can think of a function as a rule that takes inputs from the first set and relates them to an element in the second set, which is the output. A function is a process or a relation that associates each element x of a set x, the domain of the function, to a single element y of another set y, possibly the same set, the codomain of the function. It is customarily denoted by letters such as f, g, and h. In mathematics, we represent functions in many different ways. We use words, tables, mappings, equations, and even graphs. Now that we are reminded what a function is in mathematics, let's talk some more about using them in real-life examples. For example, a soda, snack, or stamp machine, the user puts in money, punches a specific button, and a specific item drops into the output slot. The function rule is the product price, the input is the money, combined with the selected button, and the output is the product. In measurement, temperature is when taking body temperature, the temperature of the body will act as the input, while the measurement that comes out as either in degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit scales is the function output. In weight, when you take your weight usually by standing on a scale, your body weight will serve as the input while the measurement usually in kilogram is your output. In basic economics, monthly salary, when you receive your monthly salary, what you are being paid is a function of the hourly pay rate and the number of your work for that month. A car is traveling at a constant speed of 60 km per hour. Express the distance as a function of time. Use t as independent variable.
Since our problem is, or our given is, the number of time and the distance traveled by a car, so we will let t be the number of time. Then, let f of t be the distance in kilometer traveled by a car. Then after that, we will draw a table in order for us to understand further. So, here is a table. So, the first column is time, then the second one is the f of t or function of time. So, we will put 1, 2, and 3. And for the distance is 60, 120, and 180. Since we have the table already, so we can proceed to the final answer. So, it is said that a car is traveling at a constant speed of 60 km per hour. So, we will just substitute the answer. So, we will just put f of t is equal to 60t. And just like that, we got the answer. F of t is equal to 60t.
Give a function of c that can represent the cost of buying X meals if one meal costs 40 pesos.
For the second problem, give a function c that can represent the cost of buying X meals if one meal costs 40 pesos. So we will just, again, substitute those given in a certain function. So first, function c. So we will just put c here, then x, since x is equivalent, or the x is representing the X meals. So, then after that, the 40 pesos, we will put the 40 pesos here, and x as the X meals. So, next, we will just multiply the 40 to x, which will result to 40x. And the answer is 40x.
Rosa finished one basket of her laundry for 2 hours. Express the number of baskets as a function of the number of hours.
For the third problem, Rosa finished one basket of her laundry for 2 hours. Express the number of baskets as a function of the number of hours. So, we will put again here the representation, let x be the number of basket of laundry. Then the second one is let f of x be the number of hours. Cross a finish. Then after that, we will again draw a table here. So, x is the number of basket 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then f of x is the number of hours. So, 2, 4, 6, 8. Therefore, we will just identify in the problem that f of x, as it stated in the problem, that Rosa just finished one basket of her laundry in 2 hours. So we will just put f of x is equal to 2x, as she finished the laundry in 2 hours. And that's the answer.
For the fourth problem, let x be the number of pair of shoes, 55 plus 2x as the selling price, 750 cost of pair of shoes, and f of x as the monthly profit.
So for the next problem, we will just put first the given. So the given here is, we will just let x be the number of pair of shoes. Then the 55 plus 2x as the selling price. Then 750 the cost of pair of shoes. And f of x as the monthly profit. So that's the given. In order for this to solve, we will use the formula of profit. F of x is equal to 55 plus 2x. 55 plus 2x, just bear with my handwriting. X minus the cost, which is the 750. 750 multiplied by x. So the next thing to do is, we will just again put f of x is equal to, f of x is equal to, we will just multiply the first term here in x, which is equivalent to 55 x plus 2x times x is 2x squared, minus 750 divided by 750 times x is equal to 750 x. So to solve this one, we will combine like terms, as we all know, or some of you know. So it would be, so first we will put the term that has a bigger exponent, which is the 2x squared. Copy the minus sign, and next is 55x. Since we just copied the 55x, minus 2, 750. 750x. So again, let's put f of x. Since 2x squared doesn't have the same exponents to the or like terms, we will just copy it, 2x squared, and copy the minus sign. And in order for you to get the answer, we will just subtract those numbers, 55x minus 750x. 750x minus 55x is equal to 695. And we will just put again the x. So the answer in this problem is f of x is equal to 2x minus 695x. So here's the answer.
Given f of x is equal to 2x minus 1, what is f of 5?
So for the last problem, given f of x, so we will just put here f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. What is f of 5? F of 5. So in this problem, we will identify, or we will find the value of f of 5. So the first thing to do is copy. We will put again f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. We all know that if there is a given, or just put the f of 5, the value of x, I mean, is 5 in this problem, then is equal to 2. Then the value again of x is 5. We will just put 5 here and minus 1. So again, we will just copy f of 5. F of 5 is equal to, we will just multiply the 2 times the 2 and 5, which is 10. And we'll copy the 1. So we will just again subtract it here. So f of 5 is equal to 9. So here is the answer for the number 5.